He sounds stupid.
Grumpy, 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 grumpy.
He sounds so stupid.
Sounds like he's saying headbutt. Say no.
Hello.
Uh-oh, here comes headbutt.
Here he comes, Grandad. Grandad.
Oh, he's coming in here.
I got it not.
Can you get my phone back?
Yeah, I won't. Grandad, come and do it here.
No, that's not going to aggravate him.
Why not?
Because I said not.
Don't
aggravate.
Elsie, Egbert,
Oh.
Lily,
I like how his tail sticks up.
and then there was Elsa, Anna, Olaf, and Hans.
Oh. Oh, he likes that.
Oh, look. Him. Look here.
A pig.
No.
Calling her a pig. Whoa, okay.
Matthew, Emily. Oh, baby biggies.
Sup, pigs? Oh, look at the little run. I want one. Oh. He's gonna, yeah, exactly. He's gonna turn into that.
Oh, jeez. Fine.
Oh, what?
It's your favourite animal. It's your animal.
Oh, hello. No piggies, fatty?
Fat pig.
She ain't got any piglets.
Grump.
You got any piglets?
Is it feet tight?
You ate them all.
Nom nom nom. Fatty. These are supposed to be goats, not one big fat lump.
No. Mr. Piggy, Mrs. Piggy even.
Mrs. Piggy.
Mrs. Piggy. Yeah, Miss Piggy. Hello.
Gotta be careful, she might eat our phone. Your phone. You're scary. What is that sound? I can't, I'm recording. Hello. Hello. I'm recording it. Whoa, you could have made me drop his phone in, and he wouldn't be happy with you. Right, wait, then let me take a photo. I think I can take a photo while I'm...
Stop recording.
He's got Grandad.
Oh, I took a photo.
He had
It was recording.
That's Elsie, Lily, or Lola.
That's donkeys.
Yeah, exactly.
Huh?
There's nothing even out here. Oh, there's pigs down there! There's pigs down here! Hello, piggy!
We want to know
Don't touch that, I think, because that's electric. Yeah.
it's a ball.
Oh, yeah, it's a boar. It'll headbutt you. I mean, it'll bite you. I mean, it'll jab you. Whatever.
His name's Malcolm.
Oh, you don't know that's Malcolm. There's two other pigs there that could be
I can tell he's a
Malcolm.
boy.
Don't be rude.
They're the ladies, I think. I can tell he's a boy.
Hello, ugly teeth.
Sandy black and black boar. They're not, they're ginger Tamworths.
Okay.
I think you'll find, aren't they?
What are you eating? You need to clean your teeth.
It's just been eating dirt.
So, just clean your teeth.
What is him? Malcolm. Oh, it's a pig. A male pig.
Oh.
They're sows. They're girls.
Yeah.
The one's up there with the baby's a sows, and that's a boar.
It's sticking its nose as well.
Yeah.
They're dozing, snoring like you do by night.